Welcome back to EVAI Labs. Today, we're taking a close look at the 2026 Cadillac Escalade IQ, the all-electric full-size luxury SUV that's redefining what a flagship EV can be. This massive three-row beast brings Cadillac's signature opulence into the electric era, ditching the V8 for silent, instant torque while keeping that commanding presence. Built on GM's Ultium platform, it's designed for those who want ultimate luxury, space, and performance without the gas guilt. Let's jump right into the exterior. The exterior of the 2026 Escalade IQ is pure Cadillac dominance, evolved for the EV age. It measures over 224 inches long in the standard version, with the new extended IQL stretching to about 228.5 inches for even more room. Up front, the iconic vertical LED lighting signature spans the full width, creating a dramatic crystal shield grille that's illuminated and adaptive, with sleek detailing that screams premium. The body lines are bold yet refined, featuring a broad stance, flush door handles, and massive wheel options, 22-inch standard on lower trims, up to 24-inch on premium models. Black accents and obsidian chrome elements on sport variants add aggression, while the aerodynamic shape helps efficiency despite the size. Adaptive forward lighting enhances visibility and style, and the overall silhouette retains the Escalade's imposing, boxy proportions but with smoother, EV-optimized surfacing to reduce drag. It's a rolling statement of luxury that's impossible to ignore on the road, yet it glides quietly thanks to the electric powertrain. Inside, the Escalade IQ delivers one of the most lavish cabins in any EV. Seating up to 7 across 3 rows, it offers generous space, especially in the IQL where third row legroom jumps to around 36.7 inches. Premium leather, heated and ventilated front seats, heated second row seats, and a heated steering wheel come standard, with 5-zone climate control keeping everyone comfortable. The centerpiece is that massive 55-inch curved pillar-to-pillar LED display running Google built-in for infotainment, navigation, and more, paired with a secondary touchscreen for controls and a head-up display. An available 38-speaker AKG studio reference audio system with Dolby Atmos fills the space with crystal-clear sound. Rear passengers enjoy power folding seats, a panoramic glass roof for an airy feel, and tons of tech like wireless charging and multiple USB ports. The ride is whisper quiet, thanks to extensive sound insulation, active noise cancellation, and the inherent silence of electric propulsion. It's opulent, high-tech, and family-friendly, with clever storage and easy access to all rows. Performance is where the Escalade IQ truly shines as a modern powerhouse. Dual electric motors deliver standard all-wheel drive, producing 680 horsepower and 615 pound-feet of torque in regular mode. Activate Velocity Max, and it unleashes up to 750 horsepower and 785 pound-feet, launching from 0 to 60 miles per hour in about 4.7 seconds, impressive for a vehicle tipping the scales at over 9,000 pounds. The 205 kWh Ultium battery pack provides a Cadillac-estimated range of up to 465 miles on a full charge, one of the longest in any luxury EV SUV. Fast charging is a highlight. The 800-volt architecture supports up to 350 kilowatts DC, adding around 116 to 117 miles in just 10 minutes. Level 2 charging hits up to 19.2 kilowatts on higher trims for about 36 miles per hour, or standard 11.5 kilowatts. Features like region on-demand paddle braking, one-pedal driving, and adaptive air suspension with magnetic ride control and 4-wheel steering make it surprisingly agile and composed. Drive modes include Tour for comfort, Sport for sharper response, and Tow Haul for up to 7,500 pounds of towing. It's quick, smooth, and effortless, with instant torque that pins you back without drama. On pricing, the 2026 Escalade IQ starts around $127,405 for the base luxury trim, with sport variants close behind at about $127,905. Premium luxury and premium sport climb to roughly $147,705 and higher, topping out over $150,000 fully loaded, while the extended IQL adds a bit more, starting around $130,000 to $132,000 depending on trim. That's premium territory, competing with the likes of high-end Mercedes or Rivian offerings, but you get unmatched range, space, and Cadillac's signature luxury tech bundle, including standard Super Cruise hands-free driving on compatible highways. It's a big investment, but for full-size electric luxury, it stands alone. Thanks for watching EVAI Labs. If this massive EV flagship got you excited, smash that like button, subscribe for more in-depth electric vehicle breakdowns, and drop a comment on what EV we should review next. Stay charged, and we'll see you on the road.